Okay, today we're going to be learning how to disassemble an electronic board. So first, get your electronic board. Second, get your pliers. Next, take your electronic board and justify the components. That's a component. That's a component. Find your pliers and carefully remove them with extreme care. Just extreme care. Be extremely careful. Try not to touch any other component. Careful. Carefully. After you've finished disassembling your board, very carefully selecting each component with peace, it should look something like this. Well done.